So when we talk about trauma, our brain just sort of goes like this. Life is messy. My joy to be able to train others.
Dr. Louise Stanger, she's a lecturer, a professor, a clinician, a trainer, an international interventionist. She was featured in the Huffington Post, the Journal for Alcohol Studies, Recovery View, Sober Way. Her book is called Falling Up. It's a memoir.
Life is just a series of hiccups, so to speak, where at times you really do fall down. Unlike Humpty Dumpty, that could never be put back together, we all have the capacity to all fall up. And that was really the inspiration for the book. As a social worker, I think that what I really believe in, and as a professor, was we have to look for goodness.
Louise is real and genuine and authentic. There's almost no one better that I would take to intervene with me and my family and do the hard work and guide us through the struggles and the pain. And so to have Louise as a part of any program is quite a compliment to your program, and it speaks highly of Louise as well. If you want someone who is guiding you in terms of doing family work and truly the struggles and the pain, then you want Louise.
There's no greater gift than being able to spend some time with people that are eager to learn. People need to learn how to intervene. They also need to learn about these subject matters, whether it is failure to launch, which is from 17 to 77, whether it's how do you work with executive protection, whether it's what you do as a wealth manager, or whether it's let's talk pain. We are ultimately strategists, ultimately creating an environment that's an opening.
Dr. Stanger's approach and the way that she presents information is so dynamic and so creative, just engages an audience. We were all just kind of captivated by her.
What Invitation to Change means to me is that we give people an invitation for courage, for possibility, and for change. Change takes place walking in a hallway. Change takes place going out surfing. It's wherever you can help someone move. When I work with people, the purpose of gaining their trust is to move them to change. It's very specific. I need to get to a yes.
Louise's energy is so good. She's such a great teacher, and I actually feel loved in there with her. She's just an amazing individual.
I believe that I am successful if my students, my clients, my families far surpass me. There are tools and strategies for these things in just the same way that there are tools and strategies that help someone with heart disease, with diabetes. There are tools and strategies that can help people with mental health, with substance abuse, with chronic pain. We believe that learning is collaborative. It takes a village to change the landscape of our country. As behavioral health care facilitators, we move beyond whatever that box is that we happen to have, that credential or that license, that we're open to change, that we willingly engage in continuing education, and that learning becomes always our next step.